I actually have no idea how to fold a burrito.
Actually?
No clue. You know, dude, burritos on the East Coast are non-existent. Now, if you were gonna make this a traditional way, you would use Italian sausage, which I did think about, but I was like, we gotta make it a little different. The only way to really do an Italian breakfast here is to have a glass of orange juice, fresh squeezed with tequila. You got it. That's the only way to do it. You gotta do this, okay? Wow, look at this. Pinch, 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 pinch. Woo.
You could work for Chipotle right now.
Right? They're making like 120,000 starting. Yeah, me too. How excited are you about this?
I can't wait.
Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and this is the Blackstone series where we made an Italian breakfast burrito. All right, Ben, the first thing that we need to do is turn on the Blackstone, eh? Ben, what is your favorite breakfast food?
Truthfully, it's a breakfast burrito.
Is it really?
It's my favorite thing. I love it.
Really? So what would you prefer on your breakfast burrito?
I usually...
What do you go with?
I usually, eggs, bacon, potato.
Okay, we're doing none of that today.
Oh,
We're
perfect.
gonna have some egg.
Awesome.
But we're gonna change it up. We got a little pancetta. How about that? Okay. I got a little grated fontina cheese. Come on. I mean, are you kidding me? And then I got, what did I do with it? I forgot my supersada.
Well, you might want to go get that.
Please, hold on. Got a little oil. Got my little bottle on the Amazon shop, Ben, huh? Let's give it a little spreadaroo. And Ben, the only way to really do an Italian breakfast here is to have a glass of orange juice, fresh squeezed with tequila. You got it.
All part of a complete breakfast.
You got it. That's the only way to do it. You got to do this, okay? So I'm gonna throw my pancetta on first. So we're gonna cook that down and render off that fat there. Are you a big breakfast person though?
No.
I agree. I would rather have lunch.
Yeah.
I like a nice lunch, 10 to 12 cocktails, and then you go home, you relax, you chill out, maybe you watch something, a little movie. We have the ladies here again with us, Ben. They are reenacting the scene from Pretty Woman when they hung out under the tree. These two wonderful ladies, and you've seen them before in our episodes. Cheers to the ladies. We got Barker's Beauties over there. So I got my Blackstone on a low medium. Medium?
Medium.
Mellow.
Mellow.
So
Carmelo Anthony.
Carmelo Anthony. Okay, we get that going. And then I'll throw on the supersada. I don't want to get that too cooked up, so I'm gonna throw that on after this gets a little bit to where I want it to be. But we got a good thing going here. I feel like a little hibachi. A little hibachi. Should we do a little hibachi? I wear a little cap, I flip shrimp into your hat.
That'd be nice.
That would be fun.
Yeah, that'd be really cool.
A little fried rice.
Doesn't that take years of training?
Not if you make it Italian. Years of training.
Italian hibachi, they just throw it
Years
at
of
you.
training. What is years of training at this point? It's a Google search. AI goes, here, this is what you do. You start it. Done. And I got about 8 eggs here, which I have scrambled up, a little salt, a little pepper. Now, if you were gonna make this a traditional way, you would use Italian sausage, which I did think about. But I was like, we gotta make it a little different. And then we are going to pour our eggs, get it all together, cook it up. I'm gonna put it in a bowl, heat up the tortilla, and then we're gonna make a little burrito. 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 It's my fan club over there.
Was that a wrestling move, or are you making a burrito?
I actually have no idea how to fold a burrito.
Actually.
No clue.
Oh,
I don't make them. You know, dude, burritos on the East Coast are non-existent. We got the ham, egg, and cheese, bacon, egg, and cheese, sausage, egg, and cheese on a Kaiser roll, on a regular roll, on a bagel. There's no burritos on the East Coast. My father, when he comes out here, we go to the Mexican place. He goes, "You got any of that? What is that? Is it avocado? Is that avocado? They put avocado in that?" And I go, "Yeah, Dad. They have. It's guacamole." He goes, "Is that avocado?" This is where the New Yorkers have not evolved. They have no idea. Let's throw the supersata on there. By the way, this is really nice. Do you want a little piece, a little nibble? because I didn't want to give you that because I needed to like cook it up a little bit.
No, I get it.
Got a little hot Italian meats here. Oh yeah. Snap, crackle, pop. Ooh, ooh. You think I could flip one in your mouth?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nope. Just could you, let me get a little more distance on it.
Yeah.
Didn't want to pop it over your head. Ah, too far. Damn it. We're gonna have no more left after this. Got him. Got him. Atta boy. Gotta fold that burrito.
Well, that really was.
That was a tip-in. I like where we're at right now. So I am going to pour the egg. Wow. Look at this. Oh yeah, not done yet. Got our cheese. Oh yeah, get it nice and cheesy, baby. So what I'm gonna do is once we get this cheese, got it all melted in there, I like to take it off the heat. Let's take it off the heat, Ben. Because then I'm gonna do my tortilla. So I don't wanna overcook any of the eggs or any of the meat in there. Let's get it in there. Woo. Hello. Nice. All right, so I got our tortillas here, which I'm just going to slightly heat up. So these are flour tortilla. I prefer the flour. I know a lot of people like a corn tortilla. I hate them. Do you like a corn tortilla?
I do, but flour is objectively better.
It really is. I don't know.
You also can't make a burrito with a corn tortilla.
I don't know anything about that. I don't know anything about that. I'm not getting involved in that conversation or that territory, Ben.
It's just impossible.
I don't know.
It's a consistency issue.
So now we are all set and ready to make our burrito. So I got my egg with all of those beautiful meats in there. Yeah, baby. I was gonna put a little of my pepper plant hot sauce in there, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just put it on the side. Got my little fly whacker whacking my oil. That's not good. Things are moving along. Anyway, so I'm gonna fold it just like this. And then I'm going over and I'm pulling it in. You see that, Ben? I'm pulling it in.
Look at the technique.
I'm pulling it in. I'm pulling it in, and then I'm going nice and tight, nice and tight. Okay? Like when Simon goes out to dinner, nice and tight. Those pockets are nice and tight. He doesn't like to splurge for anything that maybe would bring his family some enjoyment, Simon.
Did you just call my dad cheap?
I'm not saying he's cheap. I'm just saying.
What a weird shot.
You know? Nah, this is my first burrito.
Wow.
This is my, I'm not even kidding you.
Wow, Gary's first burrito.
And the reason why I'm telling you it's my first burrito is because anything that I've ever made on a tortilla was just a wrap.
Right, yeah.
So there was never a burrito because it was always like ham and salami and some other whatever.
Right, yeah.
So this is my first burrito. Anyway,
Nicely done.
let's put that off to the side. Let's make another. Left 22, 3, fold it over. And then we're gonna, like this, right? And then we're going all the way over here, like that. But we'll keep it, pull it in. Pull it in, get a little shoulder, okay? Pinch, 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 pinch. Woo.
You could work for Chipotle right now.
Right? They're making like 120,000 starting. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the grill.
Okay.
And then I am going to just press these very nicely. Oh, need a sip of orange juice. How excited are you about this burrito?
I can't wait.
They're pretty good.
Yeah, no, they look great.
All right, I'm gonna go to the grill.
Do it.
And I usually have my Blackstone press. Should I go get it?
Well, do whatever you want.
Heads up, coming through! Watch out, everybody!
Good speed.
Good speed. You know, the Blackstone is used primarily to make your traditional American breakfast. You got your pancakes, your scrambled eggs, your hash browns. But when you get a guinea behind the Blackstone, you gotta change it up. And that's why we made an Italian breakfast burrito. And I know the Mexicans are like, the burritos are us. Enough already. We're doing it a little bit different. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this episode, you're guaranteed to like our other Blackstone episodes, which you can find here in this corner, whether it be an ahi tuna or a Philly cheesesteak. If you don't have a Blackstone, don't worry. We got 150 other regular recipes here in this corner. So make one and enjoy. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.